Imagine a robot that can soar through the sky, dive underwater, and then fly again, all without changing its design. It may sound like science fiction, but it's already becoming a reality. Welcome back. Today we're exploring an incredible robotic innovation inspired by aquatic birds. This unique machine combines aerial flight with underwater movement, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in robotics. Engineers look to nature for inspiration. Birds like puffins, ducks, and cormorants transition effortlessly between air and water. Their ability to operate efficiently in two completely different environments inspired the design of this remarkable robot. Unlike conventional drones, this robot doesn't rely on separate systems for flying and swimming. Its wings perform both tasks, generating lift in the air while acting like powerful flippers underwater. Once submerged, the robot changes the way it uses its wings. Instead of pushing against air, the wings generate thrust through water, allowing the robot to maneuver efficiently beneath the surface. After completing its underwater mission, the robot rises back to the surface, transitions smoothly, and takes off into the air again. Achieving this seamless transition is one of its most impressive engineering accomplishments. Designing a robot for both air and water is incredibly difficult. Engineers had to balance weight, waterproof electronics, wing efficiency, and durability, all while maintaining stable flight performance. Robots like this could transform environmental monitoring, marine research, offshore inspections, search and rescue missions, and even disaster response. Their ability to operate in multiple environments makes them incredibly versatile. By learning from nature, engineers continue to build machines that were once impossible to imagine. The future of robotics isn't just flying higher, it's exploring every environment around. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting innovations in robotics, AI, and future technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.